Welcome to Northumbria University. Today I'm taking you on a quick tour of our law facilities. Let's go check it out. Thank you so much for joining us in our campus tour. If you like what you saw, hit that like button. If you've got any questions, drop them in the comments below, and be sure to subscribe for more campus content. If you're interested in studying at Northumbria University, all the details are in the description below.